Hi everyone. Sun is shining, work will starting. Because of sun and overheating, I couldn't set up and record time-lapse, so I just gonna tell that I wanna make free space inside one, so I should put outside all this stuff. Oh, I see an accident. This is what could happen if you don't close your varnish proper way. Yeah, this one fell on the way, and you see. It's ruined. I guess I should remove this and change it. Okay, this one is ceiling. In my opinion, this is the hardest because this plate the biggest. It's very difficult to operate alone. Next step is another side. In this case, would be nice to have a scissors, but I don't.
I'm not a joyride, a hit and run. I thought I loved you and you thought I was fun.
The best way how to cut it, it's folded twice. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Do you see it? Should be. It should be visible. Okay, fold it in 2 times and put inside, I don't know, maybe some cotton, any stuff that you don't afraid to cut. And then cut it. It's in the case if you don't have a scissors the same as me.
The sky spits sparks like it's alive. Neon veins in the dark, they thrive. Poodles hum with electric tones. A city's heartbeat made of stones. Neon rays don't feel it fall, lighting up the night for all. A dance of chaos, sweet and strange. Neon rays
circus, Afro circus, Afro circus, Afro polka dot, Afro.
Hi, it's me from the future, and I just want to tell you that don't waste your time on this bullshit. Really, just drive to a couple of construction stores and find a right wood board.
So, let me tell my plan. I have 2 wide desk, and I wanna cut it through the whole one with this angle grinder and this saw. I've marked line to come through, and let's see how it will work. Oh, I have to move it further. Oh wow. Yep. Let's see.
The sky spits sparks like it's alive. Neon veins in the dark, they thrive.
Yes, it's work perfect. One part, second part, awesome. And probably not today. I should repeat it 7 more times. And now time to protect these pieces of wood with the lock protector.
Umbrellas sway like paper cranes, dodging bullets made of rain. Each drop whispers a secret sound as reflections ripple underground. A flash, a crack, a fleeting glow. What it means I'll never know.
Once again, short reminder why much better to to build with somebody, because I forgot to put this huge plate in my van, and guess what? I have to remove half of this stuff, put plate on the top bottom, and then put this stuff again inside. See ya.